Hi, this is Reet here again. I'm back with the next design at Kavya Enterprises. I hope you can see clearly. So many colors, so many shades, and the design specifically. It's such a cute design that it's suitable for all the age groups. Even a teenager can carry, or an elderly person, or a middle age, anyone. These are so cute, not very small, not very big, but cute little earrings, a floral, and the shape, the last one which I showed was a square, but this is a different shape, something really different. Usually we get normal square or round, but this is, we have done it and got it done in a little different shape so that it can give it a different look. Again, these designs are both in gold plating and the rhodium plating. Both are pure 24 karat gold plating and the rhodium plating. Again, the premium quality, the export quality. You can see the prong setting. I think it's very visible. It's made in brass, because of which all the jewelries which I am uploading or which we have already, these all are lightweight jewelry. Let it be the party wears or let it be any size, all are lightweight because of the quality what we maintain. So let's begin. The first color is a yellow color. So cute. The yellow color, actually, as I said, it's coming up, the brightness or the look, it's in every design, it's looking very pretty. Then the crystal white, then the maroon one, the champagne, the onion pink, the blue, which will also give you a black shade somehow, so you can use it as a black also. And this is quite a different blue. It is not the turquoise blue, not the navy blue, I can say. Very different blue and very rare shade. You don't get anywhere these kind of colors and shades. So if anyone is a blue lover, you can just pick up this blue. Then we have the bottle green, I would suggest the people who are doing business, our clients, you can pick up all the colors in each design, because these colors are very trendy and they move out very fast. They are not stucking colors, like people don't buy or it will get stuck. So you can buy all the colors because they are very fast moving colors. Now see the gold plating ones, the blue, the maroon, the pink, onion pink, the purple or the magenta, what I can say, the yellow. Look, yellow is looking both in rhodium and gold plated. In both the platings it's looking lovely. Then the green, green is evergreen, the purple or the magenta, and again that blue which I said, it's a very rare shade. You will nowhere get in market, or you normally go to buy this shade. People sometimes they have the outfits or some, you look out for these shades, so you can easily grab this. And the champagne. Champagne is also evergreen. You can match it up with any dress. So these are the shades what we have in this design. Plating both are available. Do let us know what are your requirements, and for pricing and further details, WhatsApp at the number given below. Thank you, and I'll soon be back with the next design in stock.